Alright guys, so today we're going to go ahead and take a look at graphing our ellipses. So step number one is we're going to look to see which denominator has the bigger number, because remember, the bigger one will be our A. It'll tell us which axis we're going to have our, which one's going to be our major axis. Then we're going to go ahead and determine which graph we should use. So again, left and right, up and down. And then we're going to go ahead and start plotting points. So what do I mean by graph? Again, looking at up and down, left and right. So if we're going to go up and down, like what we see first, my A value is going to be bigger under the Y. From left and right, A is going to be bigger under the X. Okay, so taking a look at this equation, what number is bigger, A or B? Or A or B? Ha, A always. What number is physically larger, 36 or 4? 36. So 36 is my A squared, and it's associated with the X value. So my vertex is going to be at plus or minus 6, 0. My co-vertices, which is my B, is going to be 0, comma, plus or minus 2. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and graph our -6, 0. And our 6, 0. And then we're going to go ahead and do R0, 2. And R0, -2. And then as best as we can, we're going to go ahead and play connect the dots and try and make our nice ellipse. We also forgot our C. That's my apologies. So to find C, we know it's B squared minus, B squared is equal to A squared minus C squared. So 4 is equal to 36 minus C squared, which gives me C is equal to the square root of 32, which is 4 root 2, which is around 5 point something, or 4 point, it's a big number. Where's my calculator? Yeah, it's 5.6. So we're going to go ahead and graph that guy on the same location, same axis, so we're left and right, so the X, as my vertex. So he's about there, and he's about there. Okay, let's try another one. So what is my A value? It's going to be 4. Is it on the X or the Y? Good. So we're going to be 0, comma, plus or minus 4. And for my co-vertex, plus or minus 2, 0. My C is 4 is equal to 16 minus C squared, which is equal to the square root of 12, which is 2 root 3. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 root 3 is a little more than 3. So it'll be right there. And then we're going to go ahead and play connected dots as best we can. Yeah. Alright, let's go to another one. So again, we're looking for where A is bigger we're looking for where A is larger. So is A with the X or the Y? Good, with the X. So my vertex is going to be at plus or minus 7, 0. My co-vertices are going to be at 0, plus or minus 5. And my C is 25 is equal to 49 minus C squared, which gives me the square root of 24, which is equal to 2 root 6. Okie So we're going to go ahead and plot our vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there. And we're going to do 0, 5. We're going to go ahead and plot our co-vertices. 2 root 6 is about 4.8, so we're going to be about 5. So we're actually not going to be as close on this one. Now remember, the foci are what help us create our ellipse as poorly as we draw it. And since this one is not, since our values are closer to each other, we got 7 and 5. This guy is a little bit fatter, so yes, I know it looks more like a circle. It's not 100% a circle. And why do we care about ellipses? Hello, it's all astronomy. Like, without this discovery of ellipses, astronomy would not, the understanding of planets would not be possible. And the way that they move around and knowing that the sun does not actually revolve around the earth and all that stuff. So it really allows us to take a look at that. All right, there's your homework.